against the world. Forever be my girl. I wanna share my world. Let's make a baby girl. Shawty super bad. Yeah, that body awesome. If I hit it once, I'ma hit it often. Beat that pussy up. Her big booty rock. Got me hard as fuck when she pop, lock it, drop it. Anything you want, if I got it, no, it's yours.
You would like to see how I installed this lace closure wig, then just keep on watching. Okay, love, so I have my stocking cap on, and here is the wig that we're going to install. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig. So this is what it looks like. This is the hair that we're going to start with. So first off, as you can see, I have my stocking cap on, and what I'm going to use is this Evans glue. I really like this. To me, it adheres better than the Got to Be glued. So we're going to take this and we're just going to put it here. So we're just going to take a little bit of this, and as you can see, it's clear like Got to Be, but to me it's a little bit stickier. So we're just going to put that right there, and I'm not going to put a lot. I'm just going to put this one coat because it does adhere really well. And I picked this up from my local beauty supply. I think they were like $2.99, $3.99, and they actually have 3 different glues, like 3 different hold levels. This is the extreme firm, up to 4 weeks, and this is what it looks like. I found out about this glue from Let's Glam More here on YouTube. I found watching her channel, and she adhered her wig with it. So when I seen it in my beauty supply store, I just went ahead and picked it up. So right now I'm just brushing the hair out, and then we're just gonna put it on. And I just push that down right there. Just push her down right there where we put that glue. And this is what she looks like. And that's how it look. So for styling, what I'm gonna do is use some of this Tresemme heat protecting, and I'm not gonna spray this all through the hair because I'm just gonna add a few curls to the front. I like the natural state of this hair, so we're just gonna spray this just in the front. Just in the front. Take our brush, brush it through. And then I'm going to take a little of this, just a little bit, not a lot, just like 1 drop, literally. I don't know if you can see that, but I just take 1 drop and run it through the ends. Start on the ends of the hair, and then I work my way up. So that I get everything. You see how the natural state of this hair is just so beautiful though. It's so beautiful. I love, love, love. This is my deep wave texture. If you don't know, I do have a hair company, and this is my raw Cambodian deep wave texture.
When she pop, lock it, drop it. Anything you want, if I got it, no, it's yours. Always keep it G, you say I got it and it's yours. From the city of the shot, so you know the shit get real. I'm always on my grind, all you gotta do is chill. You the only one, my little shining star. Never ask for nothing, let's never fall apart. Stay about this paper, give a fuck about these haters. You the world's greatest, all that ass goodness gracious, my God.
guys. So now what I do is I just take my fingers and just pull it over the way that I want it. And if I need to go back and curl, I will. But this is just the gist of what I do. And now I'm going to take my brush, because I don't want the curls to be like tight. I want them to be like loose and flowy like the hair. So I'm going to just sit back a little bit so you can see the whole styling. So that is it, you guys. You see how quick and easy that was. You see, these are the natural curls in the hair. I just wanted to put some around my face so the hair is not in my face. It's actually going back. And then as far as the wig goes, you see it is down. It's not going anywhere. This Evans glue is amazing. If you see this in your local beauty supply, I do suggest that you pick this up and give it a try, because I absolutely love this glue. So here is the final look, you guys. This is all I do to style my hair. This is how I wear my lace closure wigs. With my lace closure wigs, I don't like baby hairs, so I don't do baby hairs on my lace closure. I only do baby hairs like on my frontal units, because it'll be worn up, or if I'm wearing this type of style up, I will do some baby hairs. But on a daily basis, I don't do no baby hairs. But here it is, you guys. And yeah, that's it, you guys. So quick, so simple. So you guys, I'm finna get up off of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. And I love you guys. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.